Rito, what day is it today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it somebody's birthday?
Yeah, it's my birthday.
How old are you?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you one?
No, 2.
You're 2? What do we sing on your birthday?
Happy birthday, Amanda.
Happy birthday. Can you show me how you be a robot?
I'm a robot.
Can you show me how you juggle? And you say, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me.
How old are you?
2.
Show me 2 on your fingers.
I'll show. 2 for Rita. 2 for me. That's actually not 2. Because if you put up all your fingers on this hand, it's 5. 5. So this is 2. 2. 2. Is it? Is it? I'm 1.
No, you're not 1, you're 2.
I'm